Hey my friend. I hope you're well. Today I'm going to show to you how the METAquant can improve your trading in scalping. METAquant, master high frequency trading for maximum profits. In the dynamic world of trading, METAquant is a game changer. It brings together cutting-edge 4D technology and precision high-frequency trading HFT signals. This isn't just another trading platform, it's your key to revolutionizing your crypto, Forex, and futures trading. Are you ready to unlock the future of profit-driven trading rocket? METAquant, trading redefined collision. Breaking free. METAquant breaks the mold. Say goodbye to platform fees, data feed charges, and transaction costs. With METAquant, you take control of market data, paving your way to success like never before. But that's not all. Our 4D and HFT technology will redefine your understanding of price action. Chart increasing. Join the revolution, my friend. Your time to shine. Secure your front row seat as a beta tester for our imminent launch. Be at the forefront of innovation with our Python 3.6 server bridge and an upgraded auto trading class tailored specifically for HFT signals on MT5. This is your opportunity to lead the trading revolution. Hourglass not done. META_Quant AI, unlock savings. As a token of our appreciation, we're extending an exclusive 40% discount on all METAquant full packs. Don't miss this golden ticket to join the future of profitable trading. Get yours on metaquant.frog.tech. METAquant, seize the moment, master your trades, and multiply your gains. Together, we're destined for trading greatness. Act now and claim your 40% discount. I'm ready to maximize my profits now. Zero barriers, limitless earnings. META_Quant promises to free your trading journey from unnecessary hindrances. Here's how. Prohibited zero extra transaction fees. Safeguard your hard-earned profits without worrying about additional transaction fees eating into your gains. Prohibited zero data feed charges. Dive into top-notch real-time market data without the burden of concealed fees, ensuring you're always armed with critical insights. Prohibited zero platform costs. Immerse yourself in a state-of-the-art trading platform without the added costs, streamlining your trading journey. Embrace a new era of trading. META_Quant reveals a treasure trove of cutting-edge features designed to place you at the forefront. Keycap 1 AR and VR integration. Immerse yourself in the trading world with AR and VR tech. Visualize and interact with market data in 3D and 4D, gaining unprecedented insights. Keycap 2 advanced 3D and 4D depth of market map. Delve deep into order book intricacies with dynamic market data visualization, gaining a comprehensive view of liquidity and depth. Keycap 3 Order Flow Surface Visualization. META_Quant introduces the Order Flow Surface, a powerful tool to unearth hidden trading opportunities and spot market trends with ease. Keycap 4 Seamless MT5 Trading Module. Execute trades with lightning speed and efficiency via META_Quant's MT5 Trading Module. Keycap 5 Multi-Source Data Connectivity. Stay ahead of the curve with access to a multitude of data providers, ensuring you have a pulse on the most reliable market info. Keycap 6 Real-Time HFT Insights. Make real-time trading decisions with confidence using META_Quant's time and sales windows and access to HFT data. Keycap 7 HFT Signals and Countermeasures. Gain a competitive edge with real-time alerts and strategies founded on high-frequency trading patterns. Keycap 8 Auto Algo, your trading companion. Propel your trading to the next level with META_Quant's Auto Algo. Eliminate emotional bias and supercharge your trades for supreme returns. Join the trading revolution now. METAquant is more than a platform, it's a gateway to smarter, more efficient, and more lucrative trading. Embrace the future of trading and unlock your true profit potential with META_Quant's unparalleled features. I'm ready to boost my trading with METAquant. Embrace the future of trading. META_Quant Team 2023.